Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to Big Mike Body Wisdom. So, today we're talking about another step for when you go to do the diet. And once you get your why, the next is to kind of rid yourself of all the great treats you've got running around. So, right around the holidays, you got all sorts of great desserts and all sorts of other crazy stuff sitting around. You really want to get rid of those? That way you don't have it sitting there tempting you the entire time. So, like brownies, big giant bowls of candy, little pieces of candy that fell on the floor, but to go in my belly, popsicles, ice cream, depending on what diet you're going to take, fruit, apple cider. But by removing all these things, you kind of remove the temptation. Now, you can do stuff where maybe you save some for a special day or something. But I'd recommend eating as much of it as you can, because that'll help maybe satiate the urge to have it. And then once it's gone, let it be gone. So don't go and buy more stuff. Prepare for the diet and get ready for what you need to. So this is where you embrace the why you're trying to lose weight or improve your health. And really be strong. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Feel free to like and subscribe. I'll check you next time. Ooh, brownie.